So children, how are you all? So children, today's topic is multiplication. So as you all know, this topic already we have studied in your previous class. So just I am here to just refresh your knowledge about it. Now see children, what is multiplication? First we will see what is multiplication. So repeated addition of the same number is called multiplication. See children, 208 is multiplied by 23. So if I have to, as I told you, repeated addition is multiplication. So I have to repeat the number. How many times? 200 times I have to repeat this number. So can I do it? It will be very difficult. So it will be better for me to do it in the way of after multiplying it. So that's why your multiplication is also known as repeated addition. So it will make our thing easy. So that's why we multiply. We can add also. But what will happen? We have to add so many times. I have to write 208 times. I have to write this 23. Can I do it? So that's why this is easier way to multiply. So now we'll see it. So 208 we have to multiply by 23. So the number which we are going to multiply, okay, it is known as multiplicand. Okay children, this is multiplicand, and the number by which we are multiplying, that is known as multiplier. So after multiplying we get the answer. So this answer is known as product. Okay children. Now see children, whenever we are multiplying we have to be very careful. First we have to multiply by the number which is in the ones place. So we are going to multiply by here. Which number is in ones place? 3. So first you multiply this 3. From 3 you multiply 8. Then you multiply 0. Then you multiply 2. You write it here. Now second, you multiply in the second step, you are going to multiply by 2. Okay. Now 2 is in tens place. So you are not going to write, when you multiply 2, 8 is 16. So 6 you will not write here. Okay. You will write 6 here. So in this place you are going to put 0. And see children, please don't put this cross. So it is not cross. This is a place. Okay. So put 0 over here. So 2, 8 is 16. So like this you have to write it here. So in this way you find the product. So this is multiplicand, multiplier and the product. Now we will see some properties of multiplication. See first, what is the first property of multiplication? See now you know this is multiplicand, this is multiplier and this is the product. So if you multiply any number by 1, you get the same number as the product. Okay. The second you see. Now if any number you multiply by 0, you get the number, you get 0 as the product. Okay. So you got 0 as the product. Okay children. Now here you see children. 7 into 5 is equal to 35. Okay. Here I have changed the order. Change the places. Okay. Here in place of 7 I have kept 5 and 7 is gone to the 5 place. But I am getting the same product in both the places. So changing the order of multiplicand and multiplier will not change the product. Okay children. Now see children, one more thing is there. Sometimes you have to multiply by 10, 100, 1000 like this. Okay. So it is very easy. Only you have to understand. First thing what you do, you just write here this 65 I write here. And how many zeros are there in this one? Multiplier 1 0. So put 1 0. Okay. Same thing here. You just write multiplicand here. Okay. And how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Put 2 zeros. Okay. Then write here multiplicand 784. Okay. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So put 3 zeros over here. Okay. Sometimes what happens children? It is like this here 200. I write it properly. 200 into 300. You have to multiply like this. Okay. In this case what you will do? Just see. In this case what you will do? How many zeros are there? Okay. 2 zeros here, 2 zeros here. So first you write. So how many zeros altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are there to write. Okay. Now you multiply 3 by 2. How much you get? 6. So this is the answer. This is the product. Okay children. So in this way you do the multiplication. One more thing is there children. See, this is what fact about the multiplication. What is the fact about the multiplication? Here I have written 6 into 8. 6 8 is 48. So every multiplication fact has two division facts. So two division facts, what are the division facts? 48. You multiply, if you divide 48 by 8, you will get 6 as product. Okay? If you divide 48 by 6, you get 8 as product. So these are the division fact of multiplication. So this is all the properties of multiplication which I have explained you. So you will get exercises on base of this only. So please do it properly. Thank you, children.